Choosing the correct ducting system depends on airflow requirements and available installation space. For high airflow ventilation systems, a common duct size used is the 150mm ducting system. The most important thing to check on any ventilation unit or cooker hood is the spigot size. If the spigot is 150mm, the system is designed for 150mm round ducting. If round ducting cannot be installed due to space restrictions, it can be converted to rectangular flat channel ducting using an adapter. The most common flat channel system for 150mm ventilation is 220x90mm rectangular. However, the 180x90mm system is a useful alternative, providing similar airflow where space is even more limited. Compared with 220x90 system, the 180x90 duct is slightly narrower. This can be helpful where space is restricted, although it typically has fewer fittings available. The system includes standard components such as straight duct sections, connectors, bends, adapters, and external grills, allowing complete duct runs to be created. A typical installation may run from a cooker hood through 150mm round ducting, converting to 180x90 flat channel ducting, and exiting through an external wall grill.